All right, so good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to proceed with the presentation. Um, my name is Paul Anderson. I'm an application engineer and manufacturing specialist for Modern OneSolve. Welcome to our webinar, and thank you for the opportunity to showcase the unique solution of Epicor Manufacturing ERP, where today we will share with you how to keep up with the pace of Industry 4.0. I would like to briefly outline our agenda for this afternoon.
In today's market, business strategy and technology strategy are closely related. Technology alone can shape the culture and competitiveness of a company. Many businesses struggle to grow because they are hindered by old systems and processes that no longer meet the needs of their employees, partners, or customers. Epicor Enterprise Resource Planning software is easy to use and designed for today's manufacturers to position themselves for profitability and productivity. With real-time visibility into all areas of your business, from the shop floor to the top floor, you can resolve issues faster and spot previously hidden opportunities. By connecting every aspect of your business, Epicor ERP offers organizations the essential tools needed to create and maintain a single version of the truth. Epicor ERP can help you plan production runs, balance and distribute work, collaborate with suppliers, and respond to shifting demand. It enables leaders to make solid, fact-based, actionable decisions thanks to robust built-in analytics. Epicor ERP also helps manufacturers simplify complex challenges of expanding their footprint and gaining market share because it is built on a technology platform designed to support your business as it grows and changes. With a deep understanding of the manufacturing industry, Epicor spurs growth while managing complexity. The result is a powerful solution that frees your resources so you can grow your business. To learn more about how Epicor ERP can help your manufacturing business grow, check out epicor.com.
Why OneSolve and Epicor? We have a vast array of industry specialists on our teams, respectively and collectively, which strive for innovation and working with customers to strive towards transformation and consistent evolution with absolute control of their future with agility. We achieve this through collaboration of our specialists who have in excess of 20 years experience with business systems and integration. These same specialists are passionate about manufacturing, but more importantly, passionate about changing the world in ways that empower businesses and individuals to perform and deliver at their best. We pride ourselves in a number of successful projects with global organizations and continue to strive towards being the preferred partner to our customers and growing with them. Just to provide some insights into our approach at OneSolve, we leverage an outcome-based approach which focuses on critical business outcomes and quite simplified, classified into the 3 Ps, which apply to all organizations that strive towards transformation, evolution, and growth, those being proficiency, productivity, and profitability. We work with customers to ascertain their objectives in the 3 Ps through comprehensive tactics that help us understand strategies, expectations, people, and processes with the organization, both current and future alike, and the technology required to achieve the business outcomes. OneSolve has an array of successful projects in our years of successful implementation with customers. This latest success story, however, speaks to our ability to assist customers during one of the most historic, economic, challenging climates remotely, no less. We are a team that focuses on being agile ourselves and in turn working with customers to achieve their objectives with smooth transition despite the circumstances, it is however important to note that a big contributing factor to the success of this project, outside of our agility as a team under the COVID circumstances. The fourth industrial revolution, also known as the Internet of Things, shows our industry and manufacturing has evolved over time. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, Internet plays a critical role in ensuring that stakeholders have the correct decision-making data at the right time, in the right place, allowing them to make decisions that strive the 3 Ps being proficiency, productivity, and profitability. The fourth industrial revolution, or the Internet of Things, offers big opportunity for South African manufacturers, allowing them to experience exponential growth. There is also, however, a great risk to those manufacturers who do not embrace IoT, as these manufacturers will be overrun by competitors and will struggle to remain profitable, productive, and proficient. Adopting 4.0 protocols will allow you to achieve higher productivity, agile processes, rapid innovation, reduced cost, increased revenues, better workplace, improved communication, and most of all, customer satisfaction.
Many mid-market manufacturers recognize that Industry 4.0 will impact their manufacturing operations sometime in the future. But today, many still aren't sure exactly how or when this will occur. The good news is, manufacturers are already well prepared for this, as machines on the shop floor already include sensors that provide real-time data to floor managers and the operations team on performance levels. But how do you make sense of all this data? For starters, a manufacturer's ERP system must have the ability to collect, filter, and analyze data at critical points in the manufacturing process, so that users can make better decisions based on insights from real data. This is why it's crucial to select an ERP solution capable of leveraging new technologies to bring information to those who need it, when they need it, and in a way that they can act upon immediately, anywhere. With these capabilities, the value to business comes from increasing the reach of ERP to every part of an organization, making it as usable on the shop floor as it is in the boardroom. The future may not be here, but it's coming, and manufacturers should move now to ensure their ERP platform is future-ready to adjust Industry 4.0 demands and support the industrial Internet of Things.
Introducing a shop floor interface in the Epicor Kinetic Design System that brings to Epicor users a functional and visual approach that transforms how shop users interact with the systems. Not only in the experience of performing MES tasks complete, but it is also streamlined to offer an initiative yet functional capability for shop floor users. In many cases, tabs have been combined and functions redesigned for simplicity. MES isn't just a desktop application. It also sizes and scales to a tablet for easier use on the shop floor. As the interface runs in the cloud, users have the flexibility of being anywhere with their devices. Greater visibility and access to critical information is delivered in Epicor MES with the addition of an access of Matic MES. Single sign-on ensures a seamless interface and reduces the complexity of using these systems together. What is IoT? The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and sense or interact with internal states of the external environment. Epicor IoT is a module of Epicor ERP integrated with Microsoft Azure IoT hub, which can be used to monitor things like equipment and visual data from sensors and other Epicor products. IoT can use sensors to monitor things like equipment assets, environmental factors, and inventory locations and their corresponding IoT data. Typically, there is an automated IoT and manual IoT. Some examples of automated information we might collect to be temperatures, fluid levels, pressures, etc. Event and data such as sensors and machine telemetry flow into the Internet of Things hub. From there, Epicor IoT administrator can choose which data propagates to the Epicor IoT module. Epicor IoT has an advanced rule-based engine that can detect patterns and raise alerts and notifications that propagate into ERP, where they can be used to trigger business processes changes. For example, raising a maintenance suggestion when the equipment degradation is detected. I would just like to touch on some aspects surrounding MES manufacturing execution system and the benefits of using this unique system in your manufacturing concern. In the slide, you'll see an actual visual output of 4 different manufacturing various components. The MES module allows you to schedule a production run on a specific machine that caters for manufacturing a component. Please also bear in mind that while these components are in their various manufacturing states, this is all done in real time, and the data analytics are being captured for assessment later on with aspects of this module is priceless, as this allows you to see your time capturing and accurate data analytics, which is imperative for costing and recosting to ensure all profits of losses, if any. Does your production ever change on fly? Shift supervisors probably wrestle with this every day. And even when things are running smoothly, with a Matic click and drag production schedule, you can change instantly based on new requirements, or watch the schedule update and adjust automatically based on actual machine speeds, production counts, equipment status, conditions, or job specifications. Epicor makes it easy to plan by showing line availability based on machine, part, tool capability, and the system shows optimal plans based on prior part performance. More capacity, same assets. That's what Epicor Matic is there for. When you get more free capacity and job runs on schedule, you consistently exceed customer expectations and earn more business. Knowing which changes the greatest impact makes it easy for everyone to work towards the same goal, whatever that goal may be. Happier customer, more product, or better cost structure. We're here with data and information to answer questions about performance, so the tough decisions get a little easier. The shop floor is a real-time environment, so your MES should be real-time too. This happens and can change instantly. Sometimes a machine was down for a few minutes, more than you thought, or perhaps scrap or part count is off. Just a couple of pieces can mean the difference between a happy or frustrated customer. Real-time automatic production monitoring and process monitoring with Epicor Matic keeps your business on track and eliminates the ripple effect to customers and vendors. From the shop floor to the top floor, it is important to know the score every minute of every shift, every day of every year. That is why Epicor built a powerful out-of-the-box reporting analytics system and delivers its easy-to-digest dials, graphs, and charts, Matic scoreboards, and displays empower frontline professionals to take action and make improvements instantly without having to wait for days or weeks to find out how they're doing or if they face machine or tool problems. Maintenance quality and other operation stakeholders have fact in hand to support their recommendations, and management has what they need to understand trade-offs from every angle. Matic MES delivers a comprehensive picture of product from the top floor to the shop floor. You can't avoid energy consumption costs in production, but in Epicor Advanced MES energy monitoring, you can identify and act on opportunities for improvement. Access real-time web-based scorecards to analyze, report, and track energy usage, analyze load patterns, production requirements, and resource demands, schedule workloads, and improve the cost of goods sold, and also importantly, reduce pollutant emissions. Epicor Quality Management Tool allows for machine sensors to send critical data to decision makers so that they can corrective action timelessly. This was never possible in the past. Machines could be down without decision makers' knowledge, having a dramatic impact on production. Machine maintenance planning based on a calendar can result in unnecessary maintenance being done, or worse, unexpected machine downtime due to late maintenance. Epicor Matic provides a real-time preventative maintenance for effectiveness, machine and tool preventative maintenance, cycle or run hour, automated alarms and notices. As I was an owner of a multifunction manufacturing concern, I experienced various issues that were very problematic. I manufactured components for the motor industry, armored vehicle industry, and the building industry. I faced various challenges as each industry has specific requirements, especially in this day and age. Just to name a few: accurate quoting, time management, accurate costing after the fact, machine maintenance, unscheduled downtime, reject rate, non-conformance of components, and very importantly, quality control. I wasn't fortunate enough to obtain an ERP system. Thank you for joining us today. I hope the information and the presentation that I've presented to you is sufficient for you to move forward. Once again, thank you to everybody for watching this webinar today. We really appreciate the fact that you've taken the time out of your day to watch the webinar. I'll now be ending the webinar. Thank you. Appreciate everything.